Follow these steps to operate your BrandMax Ultrasonic Cleaner. Please note, operating the ultrasonic cleaner without water filled to the max fill line will void your warranty and can harm the machine. Step 1. Turn on the power by pressing the green master power switch. Step 2. Adjust the cycle time by pressing the up or down arrows. We recommend a minimum of 10 to 15 minute cycles to ensure effective cleaning. Step 3. We recommend using heat to improve your cleaning results. Please adjust the temperature display to 110 Fahrenheit by pressing the up or down arrows. Step 4. To start the operation of the heat, press the button labeled Heating. You should now see a small green dot blinking in the bottom right of temperature display area. Step 5. Start the unit agitation by pressing the button labeled Ultrasonic. Step 6. Please add 1 ounce of BrandMax Triple Enzymatic Cleaner per 1 gallon of your ultrasonic capacity. Once the cycle is complete, you will hear a series of beeps. If you wish to silence these beeps, please contact us directly. Please take note of the following. If it is necessary to manually stop the unit agitation prior to the end of the cycle, please use button labeled Ultrasonic. Do not use the master power switch. Once you have set the time and temperature parameters, they will automatically be set for the next cycle and the next day. Once the next cycle is started, if heat is desired, please press the heating button to start heating process again. Most importantly, please review your owner's manual for safety and operation guidelines. Operating your ultrasonic cleaner outside of guidelines in the owner's manual will void your warranty. Thank you for purchasing your new awesome BrandMax Ultrasonic Cleaner. Customer service at brandmax.us or www.brandmax.us.